This is Royal. Thank you for joining me. Highlighting today a trade I took on ticker symbol KOSS on July 15th. And I was really happy with this trade. Just wanted to show you how this thing turned out and just give a little bit of insights and hopefully some things that help you. As we came into the market open, my EMAs were stacked, 8 and 21 right together, above the 34, above the 55. We look good here for an opportunity. I don't necessarily like taking the first 1 to 2 or maybe 2 to 3 candles unless the opportunity is just right. We can see this first candle was a little bit of a sell-off candle, holds the 55 EMA. Next candle rips higher. I don't want to be entering up here at 987 because the EMA is 950 and that's extended. I know I'm going to have to maybe sit through a 37-cent pullback. If I'm taking a 1,000 share trade, that's $370. I'd rather not sit through that pullback. I pick my hard, and my hard is to just not put capital at risk and wait for the pullback. Lo and behold, I get the pullback, and I'm going to zoom in on this just a little bit so you can see. But when you're trading on a pullback, you want these tails to come down, these red candles on pullbacks. They are not your enemy. They can be your friend, especially if you're just starting this TTM trend strong bull. This is what you're looking for to give you a pullback to the 8 EMA. I took my entry at 970. So right here, which you can see is right on the VWAP. Now the EMA is at 957, so I'm still 13 cents. That's a whole lot better than 37 cents, which is where I would have been right up here. So now, as this entry happened, it did go a little bit lower, and then it got back up. Another little pullback here. This moved lower. This could have been an entry opportunity. You're now first candle, first histogram bar, strong bull. That looks great. Is a little bit of a topping candle. You get the move higher. I took the position, 400 shares, sold my first 300 up at 1022. And, you know, this maybe a little hasty. I felt like we were extended here. I wasn't quite sure what it was going to do around this 1050 level. It does make it all the way up to it. This would have been a much nicer exit up here in the 1040s versus where I did at 1022. I took another 50 shares off. It does hold the 8 EMA. We get that little move higher. I took 2 smaller lots off then. 10 at 1092, 10 at 1084, kind of on this upper area around the 11, and then my final 30 shares at 1021. I had essentially committed to holding the final 30 shares as runners until it closed below the 21, which we got that close. So that's, for me, what it means to be entering on a pullback, and if you have a little bit of patience, these red candles especially, this is critical, especially if you're just starting this strong bull trend, these pullback candles can be great opportunities for entries. Happy trading, stay profitable, stay safe. Join me next time.